more than meets the eye. This 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and 2-car garage home has so much room, sitting on over half an acre of land, so there's room for more. Vast great room home offers a split floor plan which provides appropriate privacy for guest or other family member. One guest bedroom has a full wall, built-in handmade bookcases. Kitchen has been completely updated and features quartz countertops, brand new appliances, cabinets, and flooring. Adequate space for breakfast nook and kitchen, since home is equipped with a grand formal dining room. Spacious linen closets. Plenty of storage in both laundry room and garage. Sliding glass door access to lanai from master suite, kitchen, great room, and 1 guest bedroom. Therefore, whole rear walls of home can be opened up to the screened-in lanai and garden area. Kitchen also offers a pass-through window out to lanai for easy party hosting. You're going to love this home. Call us to view and plan to stay.